Alright. Okay. Hey. Let me change the window capture here. Change it to a different... There we go. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about the resolution too much right now. Or not the resolution, but the screen being centered or filling the proper area, because I think the resolution is going to change a few times before this. Yep, there we go. There goes the resolution. God damn it, I can't speak. Resolution change. I'm gonna try to cut out the virtual box things. Okay. I'm not gonna do that. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while for this to work. Or not to work, but to start up. And this is gonna be fun for a lot of my audience, because a lot of my audience wasn't around when people were still using Windows 95. I mean, there are people in my audience that are younger than Windows 7, so this will be quite interesting. Oh yeah, there we go. I don't actually remember that sound in Windows 95. Or did I use 98? Windows 98 was basically just... Oh, okay, active desktop, huh? Okay, I think we should probably, customize my desktop. Background. Straw mat. Tiles. Triangles, waves. Wallpaper. Rounder. Stone. Thatches. Waffles Revenge. I don't know what to... let's just do none. None. Let's apply. There, okay. I just wanted to get the damn... I just wanted to get the damn active desktop thing to go away. Okay, Terracino's here, so this is gonna be fun. Let me move this over a little bit. Okay, so... I wanted to stream this particular, well, not really a game, but I wanted to stream this, application I used to play around on when I was younger. But to do it, I'd need to set up a virtual machine with Windows 95. Took me a while to get it, because I tried to set one up on my own, and I was having issues where it was saying something was compressed, and I could not figure out how to fix that, so I found one that was already set up. So what we're going to be doing, first I'm going to just screw around on the desktop before I get to the real thing. Is there a games thing somewhere? DK Multimedia. Quick time for... Oh, well, there it is. I'm going to reinstall this really quick. Calibrate. press spacebar. Please close this movie. Edit movie window file. Okay, so let's see the pre-installed games on here. Accessories. Where the hell are they? Even back in the day, I couldn't find them half the time because I was stupid and I was using Windows 95 to play games and shit before I could even read. So 40 games? The hell is that? Oh. Okay, this is gonna be something for another day. This is gonna be something not for now. Because holy shit, this could be cool. Wait, is there a whack-a-mole on here? Or something like it? Hex. I just want to see what the hell is going on here. How do you play this? This looks familiar. I don't know. Did I? How do you play this? What's the objective? Like, what am I trying to do? Oh, there's help. Help topics. Game rules. Oh, I see. Am I gonna win? Yeah! I connected the top and the bottom. Okay. Brain bones? I don't think that whoever made this game has a good idea of how brains work. There's MS-DOS prompt down here. Where are the games? Like, where's the fucking pinball? Multimedia. Internet tools. Does anyone remember how to get to... Because I remember... a lot of people have a lot of memories with the pinball game. Problem is I remember the game, I just couldn't fucking find it most of the time, because like I said, a lot of the time I was using Windows 95, it was before I could read. So... where are the games, and not these 40 games things that I found? Where are the actual, where's the pinball? Man, I wanted to screw around with some of this stuff before I started the other thing I wanted to do, but I can't find it. Online registration for what? Yeah, mouse. Oh, here it is. Entertainment pack. I'm stupid. Is it here? There is no pinball. Was it not on Windows 95? It had to have been on 95, right? Chess, Dr. Blackjack, Fuji Golf, Jigsaw, Life Genesis, Rattler Race, Rodent's Revenge, and Ski Free. Oh, Ski Free. Hey, let's play that. Use number pad for better control. Oh, I can just use the... Oh, whoa. Ah. What are you doing? You went the wrong way. Oh, I see what it is. He just kind of, keeps facing a certain direction until you... So you just kind of rotate yourself. I'm gonna have a seizure looking at all these things moving around. Whoa, wait, I'm not paying attention. I'm gonna run into a tree. Ow. Fuck you, pedestrian. You're not really a pedestrian, are you? Run over those little white hills. Those little... Yeah, there we go. I like how you can also just push down to reorient yourself. That's nice. Oh, can't run over the super hills. -29. What? Wait. How do you do things? Do you just run over the hills and you get points? I couldn't read that. That was so small. I have no idea what that said when I ran into that rock. Okay, well, there's a dog or something. I don't want to run into it. Did he say fuck? Is that what it said? Oh no, it says ouch. Okay, I was gonna say no way that says fuck. Okay, that's enough of ski free. What's Fuji Golf? Oh yeah. Yeah, name myself Microsoft. What do I do? The wind is going that way, so I'm gonna do that. Where did that go? Oh, okay. That's fucking boring. Let me see if I can figure out where pinball is real quick, because I wanted to play that. But like, where is it located? Like, where? Am I not going to be able to find it? This is annoying. Oh, okay, well, it might not be on here. It may not have been packaged on the version of Windows 95 I'm using. Why is the 40 games in the the expert thing. Okay, so we're gonna do the main feature here. This is gonna be a huge nostalgia trip for me. DKM body. A DKMM body. Just close that window. Get this shit out of the way. Okay, this is a thing I used to play around with. It's not really a game, but to me it was. Oh no. Okay. So I can't figure out how to fix the video. I've tried, but I don't know how to. Also, well, I guess what I could do is go to programs. Oh, it would be down here. I can probably try to let me see here. Start menu, programs, startup. No, just go to the thing. Okay, not gonna be in there. Oh. Where are the videos? 3D bitmaps, DK code. There might be a, oh, video. Okay, so oh yeah, there we go. Just do it real fucking slow like that. I don't think I can fix this like I want to. Oh, here's the cell splitting in half over here. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so does everyone want me to, and everyone being the one person watching this who's not interacting with the chat, how about I do this so this is as big as possible? What are you confused about? I don't understand. That roughly looks like it's centered. Yeah, there we go, right there. What are you confused about, Heresy? No, I don't understand. I'm playing a game. It's not really a game, but I'm just looking at a piece of software I used to like to play with when I was really young. There's no real point to this. I wish I could show you guys just how small this fucking screen is on my screen. So the virtual machine, which is running Windows 95, I don't know what the resolution is. Can I check that on this? Display. No, well, I could probably check it on here. Properties. Hardware profiles. Graphics. I'm gonna try this and see if maybe... Oh man, okay, fine. I just those fucking videos, dude. I don't think hardware... I don't know if the hardware acceleration would be slowing things down. I can't believe I've been streaming for 20 minutes already. I feel like I've only been streaming for like maybe 5 or 6. Come on, Windows, you can do it. I hope that I can, or I hope that this like fixes it. I don't know what could be causing the videos to be playing back really badly, because I upped the RAM allocated to the virtual machine by a lot. I think the default for Windows 95 is 64 megabytes of RAM, but I changed it to 256, and I think if you go above 512 it just doesn't run because it's too much. Come on. Oh, that was way faster. Holy shit. Maybe this will work a little better. Nope. It's working just the same it was before. Go to properties again and see what I have. Yeah, I'll let it do that. Graphics. Okay. I don't want to keep having to do this, but oh my god, this is so slow. Oh man. Come on. Shut up. Or shut down, I mean. Whatever. Eventually, it will start up. Man, this is like the new generation right here. Hear that jingle? Fucking Windows 10 doesn't have a jingle. I mean, I'm sure there's a way to I'm more than certain there's a way to have it play some sort of startup sound. It doesn't seem to be running any worse or better, so I'm not sure. I don't think I can do anything about that. Let me make sure it's still centered alright. Yeah, I could. There we go. Okay, finally. Okay, so, like I was saying before, I wish you guys could see just how fucking small this is, because I can't see, like, or I don't know where to find the resolution of the virtual desktop, but it's significantly less than half the size of my actual computer screen, or my laptop monitor. And this game is significantly smaller than the fucking thing. Like, I don't remember the screen being this small in the game. Let's go to the X-ray scanner. Okay, so we can look at. That's pretty cool. I remember on my copy of this when I was younger. Scan depth. What does that do? Oh, I can do this. But on my copy of this, some of the files were corrupted, so I couldn't actually access some of this stuff. Yes, bones. We are looking at spooky skeletons, nasal cavity, maxilla, mandible, temporal bone, cheekbone, orbit. Where's the sphenoid or something? I saw something that. What if I go to the back? Okay. It's just, oh, it zooms in. Look at that dithering. Doesn't that dithering look amazing? Video. Oh, yeah, that runs real well. This guy looks like he's hunching over a little bit. That's not good for your back. Dithering. That's where instead of just having another color, it like checkerboards two different colors together to make another color. I don't think I can make this run any better. I've tried. Pelvic girdle, sacrum, coccyx, spine, femur, thumb joint. I can't zoom in any further than that. Let's see. Carpal bones. Let's see what the video is. The thumb joint. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that thumb movement. Did you guys know that your thumb can be used to move? What is this thing? I can't do anything with that. Knee joint. There's a video on this too. Oh yeah. Is there anything else? I'm gonna go back to the X-ray, cause it's cool. What is this? Oh, this thing. Okay. So you can change this one to the skeleton. And I don't understand what the point of the X-ray thing is other than it looks cool, because it really doesn't give you any additional information. It just kind of makes things blue. It's not even a real X-ray. It's just a sort of a simulation, an approximation of what the X-rays would look like. But it does tell you down here what, it gives very rudimentary names of these bones, like the rib cage, which is really weird, because if you go here, neck joint, ah, yeah, nice cracking my neck joint and just about breaking my neck. Oh yeah, you see that, man? He's shaking his fucking head. He is not happy with something. Can I like fast forward? What are these options? That just goes backwards. That restarts from the beginning. This goes forward. That's plays it, and that other one stops. Cool. Is there anything more that I can even do here? Let's go to the 3D lab. Let's go to the 3D scanner. Alright. What kind of weirds me out is that it's just like you just have this thing that just, it's like having just like a dead body, and they're like, you have the X-ray, you have the picture of the Slim Goodbody looking ass. If you don't know who Slim Goodbody is, look that up. But then here you've just got, oh yeah, there's just this dead body, well, it's not even really a dead body at this point, it's just the skeleton with some organs. Can I zoom in on the lungs? There are no videos for the lungs. Ooh, inside the eye. Let's see what's inside of our eyes. I can tell you one thing inside of my eyes is anime. Not really. I don't watch anime. I can tell you one thing. Oh, why am I yawning? I just drank a bunch of coffee, and it's also only 5 p.m. I can tell you what's inside of my eyes. All the beautiful people watching this stream, which right now is only one person, but it might be more after I finish streaming. That was cool. Now I know how my eye works. I have a very complex understanding. Okay, there's no go to system scanner anatomy of the ear. What if I do? Okay, cochlea. Oracle.
Inner ear is a fluid-filled cavity buried inside the bones of your skull. It contains the semicircular canals, which are responsible for balance, and the cochlea, which is responsible. Middle ear is an air-filled cavity within the bones of your skull. It contains the ossicles, the 3 smallest bones in your body, which are called the hammer, anvil, and stirrup. The middle ear is separated from the inner ear by a membrane stretching across the oval window. outer ear consists of the auricle or pinna, which is visible.
I like how this little box down here is so small. It's so small. You can't even tell what the hell.
The delicate hearing mechanism inside the bones of your skull.
God, this guy's voice is kind of inside the bones of your skull. Like, okay, dude, chill out.
The nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord, and millions of nerve cells. Together they form a complex
Okay, well, I didn't think me trying to move around would make it stop. If I do that. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go back to this guy, though. Let's take a look at the liver. Oh, yeah, there's the liver. There's the gallbladder. Now, you see, when you drink too much of the alcohols and the whatnot, your liver becomes a dithered fucking mess. What if I go to the stomach? Let's see. Over a 70-year lifespan, an average person consumes more than 30,000 kilograms or 66,000 pounds of food. I don't know if that's surprising or not. Let's look at the heart. Oh, yeah, let's see inside the heart. I don't know why some of the voices, the little voice clips don't work too well. You can kind of see the chambers. Not that well, though, honestly. Let's look at the intestines. Are the intestines really that loosely packed? Because I feel like they're a little closer together than that. I feel like there's not as much space in there. So you can't move up and down on this one. You can only... Well, what a fucking ripoff. Oh yeah, look at that nice Polska kielbasa. Or in Russian, Polskaya kolbasa. Kolbasa, it'd be. Polskaya kolbasa. Which is Polish sausage. Pancreas. So you're the one responsible for diabetes. Oh, the kidney's back there. Inside the kidney. Well, let's see. Oh, hey, look, it's the adrenal glands. Those, like, things on top of the kidneys. Come on, you can do it. I wonder who looked at some kidneys and went, God damn, that would go real good inside of a pie. Because, steak and kidney pie, or no, what is that? Well, sometimes it's called steak and kidney pudding, I think. It's not actually like the kind of pudding you would think of, at least if you're American. Okay, well, the diaphragm doesn't do anything. Yeah, it's steak and kidney. It's like pieces of kidney and steak. It's not that bad, strangely enough. I've had it before. But who the fuck looked at a kidney and went, God damn, that looks like a tasty fucking thing to put inside inside of a fucking pastry. So there's a bladder. It looks like an ant head. Pelvic girdle. Is there anything else I can click on in here? Oh, I can click on this. Larynx. No, I can't click on that. Oh, well. Is there anything... No, not human kidney. Fucking animal kidney. Jesus Christ, Harrison. Intestine. I'm trying to find the. I guess the spleen just isn't in here because it would be like around here. Let's go back to that 3D lab. Let's take a look here.
On the body machine figure to zoom into the secret world beneath your skin. Or click inside the picture.
Harrisino, you fucking fuck. What happens when you sleep? Let's see.
There are three main stages in a sleeping cycle, starting with wakefulness. Alternating periods of deep sleep.
Being awake is part of the sleep cycle. 3 main stages of the sleep cycle, or if you're like me, if you're like me, then you have 1 stage, and that's just I never sleep.
Sleep follow, until an average adult wakes up after sleeping for around 8 hours.
That's somewhat inaccurate.
During an average 8-hour period of sleep, an adult will slip from deep sleep into increasing periods of dream sleep every 90 minutes. The periods of deep sleep will therefore decrease.
Can you guys hear this all right? Because it's kind of quiet for me. No, you don't. You're just lying. You cannot hear this very well. Can you at least hear it at all? Like, is it audible at all? Okay, I'm gonna try 150% then. And tell me if it's better. Let's see, dream sleep.
You are most likely to dream during REM or rapid eye movement sleep. Toward the morning, the amount of dream sleep increases compared with deep sleep. Dream sleep makes up around 1/4 of an adult's total sleeping time.
I think that should be a little bit better at least. What's brainwave activity?
When you are awake, your brain is extremely active, controlling your body and
When you are in a state of deep sleep, your body...
Wait, did you hear the difference in audio quality? Okay.
When you are awake, your brain is extremely active,
And then
When you are in a state of
this one sounds way
your
better.
body functions slow down considerably. The electrical signals sent out by your brain become less intense, and their rhythm slows.
Okay, dream sleep.
and heart rate become irregular during dream or REM sleep. The electrical signals from your brain are intense at this time and resemble those sent when you are awake.
That was cool, I guess. Why do you chew your food? Well, let's see. Probably because I don't want to fucking choke to death.
4 sets of muscles are responsible for biting and chewing. The 2 that you can see here work together to close the mouth when biting. 2 smaller, deeper muscles produce the side-to-side chewing movements that grind food between the teeth.
That's what it sounded like. Click on that.
Mouth and
Teeth. What? That's what it sounds like. Bone support in spongy bone. Bony support in spongy bone. Let's take a look at the lungs. I've got like 90 tabs open. Windpipe. Right lung, left lung. Heart, diaphragm. How do your joints move? How often does your heart beat? I don't know, mine doesn't. What are you made of? Percentage of weight. Oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen. Why is this person being filled up with soda? Let's see. Oh, that's not very much. Also, who stands like that? What is this guy trying to prove? What is he trying to prove right now? Minor elements. Calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, sodium, chlorine, and magnesium. See the trace elements. Chromium, manganese, cobalt, molybdenum, copper, selenium, fluorine, silicon, iodine, tin, iron, and vanadium. Why the fuck would there be vanadium in your body? 0.1%. Take a look at this water content. Oh, let's see here. An elderly person is only 45% water. An adult is 60% water. An infant is 75% water. An infant is closer to Jesus than any of us else could ever be.
Reflex action.
Reflex action is an automatic response to a stimulus, like heat or pain. Your body automatically...
Oh, look at that guy's bicep. Holy shit, mine doesn't look like that.
The hand accidentally hits a sharp...
I mean, it kinda does, but not that nice.
pain receptor in the skin.
And just like how it's like, reflex, guns! Look at my fucking bicep, dude.
Processed and immediately sent back along
My finger fucking burns, but my bicep is hotter.
to the biceps muscle in the arm, causing the muscle...
Dude, seriously, like, look at that guy's bicep. That is big. What is this? What's going on here? Stomach. Oh, there's no thing. Spleen, kidney, and pancreas. Ureter. I know what that is. Passage of ureter. It's very small. Inner muscle layer. Outer muscle layer. Let's take a look at the spleen. Reddish brown organ. What does it do? Filters blood as it passes through. The spleen also stores blood, destroys worn out red blood cells, and produces antibodies or lymphocytes which help to fight disease. Take a look at my liver. Liver tissue. It's really cool how it has pictures of like all this stuff. Kind of hard to tell what the fuck is going on, but how do you swallow?
Peristalsis is the
Gonna have to ask my girlfriend on that one.
process through the tube-like organs of the digestive system. These tubes consist of 2 layers of muscles and other linked...
Why is this guy trying to swallow an entire meatball from the SpaghettiOs and meatballs? Why is this guy trying to swallow one entire SpaghettiO meatball? Seriously. How do your bones grow? Well, mine aren't really growing a whole lot anymore. I've been 5'8" for a while, and I hope I'm not done getting taller, because I'd like to be a little taller than 5'8". Main vein. Inside a vein. Why is this vein all blobby looking?
Your bone.
How do your bones grow? Let's take a look at the baby bone. Infant. Okay, wait. What's the difference between a baby and an infant? A 4-year-old infant? Since when are 4-year-olds considered infants? Adolescent, an adult. Hey, I'm 20 years old. My bones are all complete. So, your bones look like that. Mine look like that, apparently. Where does your energy come from? Upper leg muscles. Let's see where our energy... What the fuck is this? Taking in energy.
Your body cells are constantly supplied with food and oxygen from the bloodstream.
From the bloodstream.
And the red arrow is toxic. Parts of the food are used as fuel.
God, yeah, turn down the fucking synth, dude. I can't hear you.
Parts are used to maintain and repair the cell itself.
Was that sound effect that really necessary? Like, what if you were in biology class and anytime your teacher explained something about influx of energy, they just had this sound going over them trying to tell you about it.
The energy from food is released inside thousands of cell parts called mitochondria in a process that requires oxygen. Carbon dioxide, which is represented by the green arrow, is a waste product of this process. The energy is used to fuel all the chemical reactions that maintain and repair the cell, and to provide heat for body warmth.
The mitochondria. What happens when you exercise? I die.
As you walk, your heart rate is constant at about 80 beats per minute. Your heart rate can be measured by detecting the electrical signals sent by your heart and displaying them as patterns on the screen of an electrocardiograph, or ECG, machine. As you start to run, you breathe more quickly and deeply, so that the body absorbs...
This guy runs real fucking slow.
...more carbon dioxide. These breathing rate changes...
This guy sounds like he's hyperventilating.
...closeness and depth of the wave.
Lungs.
As you walk, your breathing rate is constant at about 20 breaths a minute.
Who breathes like that when they're walking? Who breathes like that? Just I'm getting lightheaded from doing that.
A breath out.
You start to run. You breathe more quickly.
Someone that breathes like that just normally. I'm gonna ask something to someone for a second real quick. Oh, well, I guess that makes sense. Being over 250 pounds. I really don't like how you have to go over to this thing. Also, I like how this is called Body Machine. Body Machine. How do you hear? Not well.
You hear sounds. All the delicate mechanisms in your outer, middle, and inner ear are working together. The auricle collects sound waves and funnels them down the ear passage. The sound waves hit the eardrum, causing it to vibrate. The vibrations are transmitted through the three small bones in the middle ear: the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup. Vibrations pass from the stirrup through the membrane across the oval window to reach the cochlea in the inner ear. Here, sound vibrations are changed into nerve impulses. These travel along the acoustic nerve to the brain, where they are interpreted as sounds.
They are interpreted as sounds. Now, jugular vein, larynx, cartilage producing cells. It actually said the whole word thyroid. Skin. No. I don't understand what the point of this is. Oh wait, there's urinary system, and I go down here, and it would show the urinary system. If I go to reproductive system, it shows that. It doesn't show anything anywhere else, I guess. Oh, I can switch it to female for this one. Or to male. And then it would show the male ones. Does it have a... Oh, it has a thing over here. Male reproductive organs. Well, no shit. And it's uncircumcised. How progressive. Nervous system. So... I can't click on things to just... But I can...
Purpose of the male
I can just...
reproductive
Oh, okay. Inside a testes.
side it.
Again, it's just, it's not playing correctly. Seminiferous tubules. I remember learning about those. Maturing sperm. Tubule wall. That's a lot of sperm, dude.
Male reproductive
Seminal vesicle. Urethra. It's like eureka. Eureka. It's like when you discover something, instead of saying eureka, you just go, urethra. I found it. I found the gold. Okay, well that explains stuff. Let's go to the female one. Let's learn about female anatomy. Uterus. What? Lining of the uterus. Ciliated cells. Hey, what?
Female reproductive.
Oh, it almost said the whole thing. Uterus. Pear-shaped? I guess. Maybe it's pear-shaped. That doesn't really look like a pear to me. What this doesn't really show is the three-dimensional, like, shape of this thing. And that's kind of weird, because, like, if you saw, like, a uterus from the side, it does not look how you would expect it to from this diagram. There's urinaries and digestive system, mouth and throat. Tongue. Esophagios. Esophagus, I know what it says. I'm just being stupid. Small intestine. Inside the small intestine. That looks like a brain. moved it. I moved the thing by accident. Cool. I can fix it by doing this. So there's this A to Z thing. Index, 3D models, ears. Yes, my, the opening of my ear is so perfectly circular like that, yes. And if you look straight down, you can see my eardrum. Well, I mean, you could if you put one of those things in my ear that the doctors put in your ear, but... Oh. I can add... Oh, I see what's going on. I just go to the skeleton... Cutaway view. What is this deep scan? Surface. Oh, it just cuts away things that are on the outside. Let's go back to the body machine.
On the body machine figure to zoom into the secret world beneath your skin.
What is this? Video index, animation index, glossary terms. Where are the little But what we're really here for is the horrible videos that won't play very well. Deoxyribonucleic acid. I remember these videos. Like, I remember this, like, spiral thing. Endoplasmic reticulum. Reticulum. Excuse me. Golgi complex. Oh, it actually has, like, pictures of all these things. That's actually really cool. Lysosome. Ribosome. It doesn't have a picture of a ribosome. Cell membrane. Nucleus. Centrioles. I don't know. How would you access this if not through this video index? Fertilization.
Fertilization marks beginning of new human life. It takes place when a male
I don't know if I might get banned for this.
the egg or ovum. Each sperm consists of a head region that carries half the instructions needed to make a baby. A long tail or flagella that beats vigorously to push the sperm forward towards the egg.
This is slightly inaccurate because actually the tail of the sperm does not push it forward, really. It more makes it move side to side. Also, the sperm doesn't exactly penetrate the egg. It kind of... There are little things on the surface of the sperm and the egg that kind of attach to each other, and the sperm is then kind of enveloped. But back then, everything talked about it a bit incorrectly. Implantation. Fertilized egg. You got the... How it...
Woman's egg is released from her ovary into the sperm from a man swim along the fallopian tube to meet the egg. Fertilization takes place when a sperm penetrates the egg. The fertilized egg starts to develop as it undergoes repeated cell division on its journey to the uterus. Finally, the egg implants into the lining of the uterus, from which it absorbs the nourishment it needs to grow into a baby.
If you say so.
Vision.
Wait a minute.
Vision of egg.
Heat is being released constantly for all of our tissues.
Oh yeah, that sounds great.
The exercise, the amount of heat will be increases because they have to work harder. This means the amount of heat loss through the skin also increases. You can see this increased heat loss by using the fusion technique, thermography, which produces a heat picture of the body.
This guy looks like he's turning into a demon. This is just like Jim from The Office that they, like, you know, they were creating this software and they were like, hey Jim, just get on an exercise bike, take your shirt off, we're gonna thermographic image you. It's not gonna go into the game, don't worry, no one's gonna see it. And then everyone saw it. How the heart works. I don't know how much more of these videos I can take with the bad playback. Imaging techniques.
Today there are many imaging techniques available that allow doctors to get an image of a patient's body without having to use surgery. An MRI scan of the heart is produced by putting the substrate with strong magnetic field and displaying the results on a computer screen. In this CAT scan, X-rays are used to view a thin slice through the skull, starting at the top of the head and moving down toward the neck. The most commonly used form of imaging is an
I can't understand a word this thing's saying.
Scan up. RI for brain. Geogram.
What's a CT scan?
Scan.
MRI, PET scan. Oh, that's just that one thing. What is this? Thumb joint. Vocal cords in action.
We use our vocal cords to make sounds. In order to look at the vocal cords, doctors pass a viewing tube called an endoscope down the throat and into the larynx. The two vocal cords are stretched across the larynx, and during normal breathing, the space between the vocal cords...
I wonder what this guy is saying.
When we want to make sounds,
Wait,
muscles in the larynx bring the vocal cords...
this video's actually playing correctly.
As we breathe out,
Why this video in particular? Why is this one running alright? All the other ones are running horribly. Well, I think there's one last thing that we need to do. And that is the body quiz challenge.
Answer all 15 questions to complete your journey through the body. Score 2 points for a correct answer on your first try, and 1 point if you are right on the second attempt. Click the start button to begin the quiz, or cancel to...
I think we've learned everything there is to learn, so let's take the body quiz. Okay, I'm just gonna skip this. This is unbearably slow. Which part of your body tells the sweat glands to release sweat if you become hot? Hypothalamus, I think. Oh, look at that, I'm right. Okay, why is there just like virus or bacteria, whatever the hell, and this guy is just like, yeah, you know, let's just look at this guy getting ravaged by disease from the inside. What produces the bump known as the Adam's apple? The thyroid cartilage. Also, what is this peanut thing? Oh, I have no idea what the hell that is. Is this supposed to be a white blood cell? Part of your brain coordinates your head and eye movements. Nope. Oh, okay, well I got it right the second try. Come on. What happens to your pupil in low light? It enlarges. Okay, I get it. Which grow faster, fingernails or toenails? Same rate? Fingernails. I keep forgetting to skip this video every time it comes up. How many muscles are there in the arm? 72? Well, fuck. Come on. Slightly to the left is the heart. Splenic, gastric, and hepatic arteries all branch from the aorta, I would assume. It's not going to be the vena cava. How many alveoli does each lung contain? More than 3 million. I guess. I don't know. What is contained within the vertebral foramen? Spinal cord. I would assume that that would be the hole inside the spine, I guess. Come on. Let's go to the next question, please. What is peristalsis? A burst appendix. Disease of the colon. No, it's the muscular action of the digestive system. $300 million what? Where's excess bile stored? The colon. No, it'd be the gallbladder. For how long does your stomach store food? 3 hours, I guess. I don't know, I never asked it. Which of these joints... Which of these joins the spine to the legs? The pelvis, I guess? I mean, I know that it does, but I didn't know how specific it was wanting it, but the other options weren't correct at all, so... Which is the largest largest bone of the pelvis? The ilium? Oh,
Congratulations. You have completed the body quiz challenge. Your final score was 19 out of 30.
no. Actually, you know what? I'll try it one more time. How many muscles are there in the neck? I don't know how the hell I would know that unless I went and looked at it, so... I'm sure the answers are all somewhere. What happens to the lens of the eye when it focuses on a distant object? Oh. Oh, it'll take you to the thing if you get it wrong. Wait.
On the body machine.
Oh, return to quiz. Okay. What do the tonsils do? Help fight infection. Which is really ironic, seeing as how easily infected they get. Which muscle or muscles help you to cough? Sternohyoids? Well, it's not the fucking trapezoidal. I'm gonna get a bad score on this. Oh. I'm just gonna quit the body quiz. Yeah.
You sure you want to leave the body quiz challenge?
Yeah, I know my answers won't be safe. What's body online? No, I'm good. I'm gonna say that's it. There wasn't as much content to that as I remembered there being. Probably because I couldn't read when I used to play this thing, so I probably just had no idea. I mean, it's okay. It's pretty cool. I mean, it has a lot of information and some cool pictures. Oh, man. Okay, well, I guess next time what we're gonna have to do is look at these, where is it? These 40 games next time, but until then, I'll see you guys all later.